Hey guys, this is Samir for Digit.in and I am joined with Hardik, and if you are watching this unboxing, it's actually we've gotten these products a little bit in advance, but they are mixed reality headsets, and Hardik has already prematurely opened that box only from the top before I actually...
Yeah, I wanted to see what was inside.
Yeah, so why don't you tell them what's inside that, because you already know it, right?
Yeah, so this is the Omen Compact.
And this is the headset. So why don't we actually unbox one at a time? So let's start with the headset. Let's get...
Yes.
Mixed reality headsets are something that we have experienced at a couple of events. They are finally launching in India. There is no price that has actually been revealed to us yet. And the packaging is actually pretty compact. It's just 2 boxes. Literally just 2 boxes. Okay, so here are the controllers. Wow.
Oh, these are the controllers. I think that has the headset.
Yeah, that would probably, this will probably be the headset then. Oh, it's actually written on the box, is it?
Is it? No.
Yeah, of course.
Oh yeah, the controller.
Yeah,
that's
so
it.
Windows mixed reality headset, and that one says the controllers. Wow, this packaging is actually pretty compact, so setting it up should actually not be a problem. Unfortunately, we can't show you the complete setup because this is with us for a limited amount of time. But what we can tell you is that literally this is it. It has a wheel to tighten and get a little loose, something that's very reminiscent of what we have seen on the PlayStation VR. It's like taking a leaf from the PlayStation VR headset. And as you can see, it actually kind of, comes up and back down and has quite a compact fit. I have experienced a bunch of them, Lenovo one and an Acer one, but never the HP one. And I can say that it's pretty much the same.
Yeah, I've also seen the HTC Vive, and HTC Vive has a more heavier set of controllers, but these are quite nice. These are smaller, these are lighter, and these have in and out controllers. So all the dots you see here, these are all for the recognition where the controller is in real-time space.
Yeah, also another one of the really cool things about this is that because of the dots on the controller, it's actually a relatively light controller. Yeah. It's got like a joystick on the top, a D-pad next to it, a Windows button, a menu button, and just a single trigger. And the recognition all happens from the camera that's in the front out here. So you really don't need to set up like with the PlayStation VR a separate camera, or like the HTC Vive room scaling, sensors. It's literally plug and play. Plug this into a PC. And speaking of the PC, why don't we get the PC and check it out?
So this is the Omen. This is the Omen X Compact. This is a small desktop which can be kept on the table itself. And there's a backpack inside in the box, so you can lug it around, put the VR headset in, and put this desktop on your back and play on VR.
Wow, this is
quite compact.
It is heavy, no doubt. Is this the CPU?
Yeah, this is the whole machine. This entire thing, this is the whole machine. This has a GTX 1080 inside, 1 terabyte of hard drive, and a 7820 HK desktop class processor. So this doesn't have a brick in itself because the brick is there. You can put it on this stand on the table right there.
This is essentially the power brick.
Yeah, that's the power brick. So this can be put right here. So this is dockable.
And that's essentially the PC.
Yeah, that's essentially the PC.
So just to show you guys how slim it is, this is essentially, if I'm not mistaken, this unit itself is a lot slimmer than any of the current generation consoles.
So basically this is the PC. This is just, on the desktop unit, so you can...
So just to be clear with everyone who's watching, this is not an external graphics card like we've seen on thin and light laptops. This is not giving any external boost or power to the machine. This is just a docking station, with the only addition being 2 USB ports on one side and a host of other display ports, HDMI ports, more USB ports, and Ethernet port, just more ports on the other side. So just giving more connectivity than anything else to this.
Yeah, and you just
this is the power brick.
Plug it in, dock it, and that's it. Everything, all the keys, all the USB ports are here. There's an eject button here, so you don't accidentally take it out. And there's a whole set of ports at the back. So at the back we have conducting lock, 3 USB 3.0 ports, display port, an HDMI port, an Ethernet jack. There's a power in port. There are 2 power bricks. So there are 2 power bricks, and one connects to the PC for the CPU, and one is for GPU.
Okay, so we will get you our in-depth look at everything. So now here's another very cool thing is the backpack in which this essentially fits. But if you are going to be playing games in the virtual world, then you will need a backpack to have a little bit more freedom per se. So you can actually just move around, although the cable that comes with the mixed reality headset is fairly long, so you really don't need to worry.
And there are other cables in the box itself.
Okay, there are more cables in the box, which you guys can probably see on your screen right now. So Hardik, I know they've given this us pre-launch, and we have experienced mixed reality headsets, and I can tell you that between the HTC Vive, the Oculus Rift, the PlayStation VR, and the Dead Connect, which was a motion sensor only, but between all of them, mixed reality is by far the most accurate I have experienced so far.
See, so in this office, only Samir
has experienced mixed reality. Unfortunately, this is going to be the first time for others, but I have actually experienced it. I can tell you it is extremely accurate and a lot of fun and very immersive. And I am shocked that Microsoft is not getting these the mixed reality headset support to the Xbox One X, which it would just be brilliant to counter the PlayStation VR experience.
Besides HP, I think only Acer has been able to launch their products.
But they have Lenovo is there, Acer is there, Dell, HP. There are about 6 companies making mixed reality headsets.
Mixed reality headsets.
Absolutely. So there you have it, guys. We are going to show you a glimpse of putting the CPU into this backpack and what it looks like. And we will get you the price, or you might be able to see the price and some launch details in the descriptor, because we are actually seeing this pre-launch. We don't know what the price of this beautiful and slim CPU. I actually really like it.
I really like it,
And the Windows mixed reality headset, we don't know the pricing as of unboxing this, but if it is competitively priced, we think it could definitely be a great steal deal. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us, and for more videos like this one, you can subscribe to our channel. We will catch you in another video, and if you want us to do something specific with the mixed reality headset, let us know and we will try to get you that video. It's goodbye for now.